Hi guys, so today I want to talk about the relationship between cancer and our immune system. So the human immune system defends against any harmful pathogens that might enter our body. And although our immune system wouldn't normally attack the body's own cells, DNA damage and mutations can cause healthy cells to become abnormal and cancerous. So when these cells become cancerous, they can begin to express abnormal tumour-associated antigens that aren't usually seen on healthy cells. So just like our immune cells are designed to recognise abnormal antigens on the surface of invading pathogens, they can then also recognise the tumour-associated antigens on the surface of cancer cells. So because this is antigen-specific, the cells involved are the cells from the adaptive immune system. So this includes T cells, which have unique T cell receptors or TCRs on their surface, B cells, which produce large quantities of antibodies that are specific to antigens, and finally NK cells, which are technically part of the innate immune system, but which also recognise virally infected and cancerous cells. So once an antigen is recognised, say by a T cell, it will trigger T cell activation. And this then leads to the production and release of cytotoxic proteins, such as granzyme B and performin, which can then trigger the cancer cell to undergo apoptosis. And this sort of process could be happening all the time in our bodies, but we don't realise because the cancer cells are successfully eliminated and then don't develop into full-blown tumour. However, cancer cells are quite clever and they're constantly mutating and evolving, and often cancer cells become able to actually inactivate the immune cells. So that means that they can now evade the immune system completely and go undetected. And it's at this stage that the cancer cells are free to grow and are likely to transform into a clinical disease. So thank you for watching, and look out for the next one where I'm going to be talking about how we can harness the immune system to try and treat cancer.